Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the NetBeans IDE for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the NetBeans IDE for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of NetBeans, since that's where we can download their NetBeans IDE. So just go and search this. Make sure to search this correctly so you will be directed to their website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the NetBeans IDE on this website, just click this download button right here. And after that, you will then be directed to the downloading page where you will be able to see many download links for the NetBeans IDE, but I recommend you to select this one for an easier installation. And then your NetBeans will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you will see a list of components that will be installed in your NetBeans, such as Java, PHP, and HTML tools, but if you want to change or modify the components that will be installed, just click on the Customize button. And here in the customization window, you can select or unselect specific components that will be installed, like for example, if you're only working with Java, you might want to uncheck PHP or HTML JavaScript if you don't need it for your development, but in my case, I won't unselect anything because I will need it for my future projects. And once you're done setting up the components, just click Next to proceed. And right here, you just need to agree to their terms and conditions, so just click this box and then click Next to proceed. And after that, NetBeans will show you the location where the installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse and then set it to the location where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click the Next button once again. And then finally, you can now click the Install button. And then your NetBeans IDE will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have the IDE. So you can now use it to start developing your coding projects. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.